Hello dear friends, welcome to Ilmi Technology. Please subscribe the channel and press bell icon to get notification. Today I can provide some examples of jobs that could potentially be fully replaced by ChatGPT or similar AI systems in the future. Let's get started.
Number 1. Customer Support Representatives. ChatGPT can handle basic customer inquiries, provide troubleshooting assistance, and offer information about products and services. AI systems can handle large volumes of customer queries simultaneously, reducing the need for human customer support representatives. Number 2. AI systems can automate data entry tasks by extracting information from various sources and populating databases. They can interpret and process data accurately and efficiently, reducing the need for manual data entry. Number 3. Basic legal document review. In the legal field, AI systems can assist with reviewing and analyzing large volumes of legal documents such as contracts, agreements, and case law. While complex legal analysis and decision-making will still require human expertise, AI can streamline the initial review process. Number 4. Stock traders and financial analysts. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of financial data, news, and market trends to identify investment opportunities and make trading decisions. While human expertise is still valuable for strategic decision-making and considering broader economic factors, AI can assist with data analysis and pattern recognition. Number 5. Translators and interpreters. AI language models can provide real-time translation services, enabling instant communication across different languages. While human translators and interpreters may still be necessary for complex or nuanced tasks, AI can handle basic translation needs. Thank you. What are your opinions? Please write in the comment below. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon.